Here are 4 things about relative clauses that you might not know. First, a definition. A relative clause gives us information about something or someone, a noun just before the relative clause. Here are 4 common WH words that begin relative clauses. This is the book which won the award. Which won the award is a relative clause describing book. The woman who lives next door is a doctor. Who lives next door is a relative clause. The library where she studies is nearby. Summer is the season when they go on holiday. Besides these WH words, we can use that to begin some relative clauses. This is the book that won the award. The woman that lives next door is a doctor. Similarly, which can talk about a place or a thing. The library which she studies in is nearby. And finally, when we use when and where, a noun must follow, not just a verb. The library where she studies in is nearby. Summer is the season when they go on holiday. Share this video with someone who needs to know more about relative clauses.